Yo, it is your man Joe. Sorry for the sound in the background. If the fan is on, it's pretty hot in here. So I'm just here to say to give off a word that get to start packing because I know things are getting real. This has been on my spirit for quite some time. Please, if and I know I say this dozens of times, but for real, like seriously, get to packing. Go get you some stuff that will actually last because I don't know there's going to be I know people have been talking about saying that there's a famine coming, so please really need to start packing. You need to start getting your things together, getting your food, water, anything necessity that you need to help you through this famine, maybe for the next couple months possibly, or if a year if possible. So please, also please seek the Lord about this for yourself, but also get the stuff that you need. A famine is coming. A famine is coming. Get your stuff now. I repeat, get your stuff now. Thank you.